When getting started with an online tutoring business, it is so cool to be able to get business cards, right? I mean, if you were a teacher like me and you were teaching in the classroom, we didn't have business cards. So it kind of feels really cool to start your own business and get business cards. But I'm going to warn you about something because business cards are actually not that great of a strategy. And I'll tell you why. A lot of people don't use business cards in an effective manner. They have a conversation with somebody and then they hand them a business card. There's even this awkward weirdness about it sometimes where people don't even tell you why they're handing you a business card and they just hand you a business card, and it feels quite honestly weird, right? It's not exactly what we're going for. The purpose of the business card is supposed to be so they have your information, they can get in contact with you. But I'm going to share a better method with you for having people contact you. So here are the 4 mistakes that people make with their business cards. And then we'll take a look at a solution. My name's Joanne Kaminsky. I've been tutoring online since 2010, and I've been helping online tutors and teachers start and grow an online tutoring business since 2012. And what I do is I help people be able to empathize with their ideal client so that they can attract them and be able to have a slew of students that are perfect for them. So let's get down to business here. So mistake number 1 is they create way too many business cards. I've made this mistake. In fact, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these boxes still sitting here, half full or completely full in some cases with business cards. All right, so honestly, you're going to change information on your business, and maybe it's a website, maybe it is a special that you have, or maybe you have this grand idea for something and it renders you to change your business card. So you buy more business cards. Well, honestly, it's not even that good of a solution because it's not going to get you the results that you're wanting for. What a lot of times happens is people grab the business card and it goes in the garbage, or it gets put in a pile and nothing is ever done or seen again with it. Mistake number 2 is people are expecting to be contacted because they gave them their business card, right? A better strategy, if you've had a meaningful conversation with somebody about your online tutoring business, you're going to find out what that strategy is. I'm holding you. You're going to have to watch to the end to find out. You thought I was going to give it away, didn't you? I know you did. All right, mistake number 3, hand business cards to friends and family to pass out for them. You know what? Your friends and family, they love you, but most likely they are not going to be handing out business cards for you. And that's awkward too. Really, the people that should be given a business card are people that really are interested in your services. So it's not like a flyer that you just randomly are handing out to as many people as you possibly can. It doesn't work really well that way. And mistake number 4 is they actually create their business cards before they even come up with a business marketing plan. And so there's no strategy behind it. They create a business card because it looks aesthetically appealing to them, but it may not have any information there that's going to attract their ideal client. So you really want to make sure that you have your marketing plan in place and make sure that you really want to utilize a strategy before you invest in money to buy these business cards. Now, in the beginning, it looks like really cheap, right? You're like, oh, $12 for a box of cards. Woohoo, yay, cool, let's do it. But if you don't get anything in return from it, it's a waste of money. And then a lot of people will end up buying a whole bunch of other things from Vistaprint that they don't really get a lot of use out of as well. So, stay away from business cards if you can. And here is that better strategy. So let's say you're having a conversation with somebody and they're sharing that they have a child that's struggling in the area. You tutor, you find out information about them, what they're struggling with. And at the end, it's time to invite them to a free assessment or a free session, right? And so at that point, you say, you know what? I would love to be able to give you information, set up a time for that free assessment. What is your email? And you write down their email. And then if you want to continue to give them a business card at this point, you can feel free to do that. However, all you really need is to collect their information and contact them. okay? That is going to be way more effective. You don't have to worry about them not responding back to you, losing your information. You have their information, you contact them. This is a win-win every single time, all right? So a better method of getting business cards, better method is to get their email and contact them yourself. Trust me on this one, it works every single time. If you like videos like this and you want to be informed more about really great tips, tools, strategies, all that kind of stuff in the online tutoring world, please hit subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye.